cool during hot summer. Outdoor camping air conditioner NeoAmico. NeoAmico with Daewoo Compressor's proprietary micro-inverter compressor technology. It's a portable air conditioner with compact size and weight, equipped with powerful fans to cool and dehumidify the surroundings. Experience the cool and refreshing air conditioning experience without any kind of spatial constraint. NeoAmico draws out hot air from indoors and replaces it with cool air. What's more, you can adjust wind strength and settings for cooling and air ventilation. Developed by Daewoo Compressor's cutting-edge technology. As a global top 3 manufacturer, NeoAmico is a low-noise device that generates only about 40 dB. It can maintain pleasant indoor temperature without disturbing your sleep and reading time. It also uses a washable filter that is easily detachable for cleaning, which allows consistent cooling performance. Daewoo Compressor is the company specialized in high-end compressor technology and has a direct control over the entire product lifecycle, ranging from product design and development to production. We have always strived to produce the best product based on our proprietary technology and know-how. 45 years of continuous research, technological breakthroughs, and know-hows. These are the reasons why we are the world's leading compressor technology company. NeoAmico, presented by Daewoo Compressor, will offer you the best experience. NeoAmico, global camping and leisure premium appliance.